if I lose this, I'll be devastated. Make sure you get the final score.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our newest video, and today we will talk about one more custom build here at Exotic Graphix with Nick. So Nick, what we have?
It's a 1967 P10 Chev van, so US built. They're the step vans, so you'll see them around, you know, the UPS vans, or this one was actually a taco truck when we got it across from California, and then we've converted it to our van. So I'll take you around and show you through it.
As you know, it's wrapped.
Yeah, the whole car's wrapped. So we started with the 3M base. It's the fuchsias. So you can see, it's hard to see, but there's a slight airbrush shadow. And this guides all our overlays. Then we've used the Avery satin black. Avery actual rose gold, but we printed on it to give it a bit more of a copper feel.
Okay.
And then yeah, we've laid it all up, but then a couple of special effects we've done is PPF to gloss highlight it. We found that was a bit nicer to use compared to normal laminates. It's just a little bit deeper and it gave it that bit more embossed. And then we've actually done Duro lens, which is UV lensing, and that's given another 3D effect. So there's a few layers on it. Yeah, so I'll show you inside. The whole car's been fully rebuilt from ground up. Okay. So we went pretty far with it. So yeah, we basically refurbed everything. Everything's raised up because of all the airbags, the timber floor, and then we've got custom artwork piece by Mayonnaise. He's a street artist slash tattoo artist in Melbourne. So yeah, that's all personalised. So it's actually his own basically font, but like calligraphy font. And then yeah, we've actually got all the team members' names in there, our start date to Exotic Graphix. And yeah, there's a lot of my own family names are in there as well. Then we build a custom drawer in here.
Yeah, this is a secret room. This is rapper's dream.
Yeah, so it shows off all the tools of the industry, and then that's the sweetener if the
Friday tool.
Yeah, either that or if the quote goes wrong, we try to sweeten the client. But yeah, we don't get it out as much as we want to, but yeah, it is pretty cool.
So I understand before you used to use it almost like visiting customers, just like
so quoting car, exactly. So you'd go measure the jobs, just point it different. Everywhere we take it, it gets a lot of attention.
Oh yeah.
It's something unique. It's stylized different to anything I've seen. We've got the Chesterfield couches in the front. So yeah, this is pretty unique.
Sound system, everything.
Yeah, big sound system in it. So we've got the two 12-inch subs in there. It's an Alpine system all throughout. So yeah, it's cool. It's enjoyable.
How long it took you to build it?
A year all up from start to finish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Long.
So yeah, it's a long project. Yeah, it's actually not that long for something like this, but yeah, we threw in some hours into it. So yeah.
Thank you very much for showing it to us. You know, it's not every single day we can see something like that.
Yeah, no, appreciate it. I'm glad you like it, and hope you guys like it too.
This is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel if you like our videos, and I will see you very, very soon.